this vegan red velvet cake. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and that is Zeta. On this channel, I share with you guys some healthier ways to make your favorite treats, including some gluten-free and vegan recipes. So here is everything you'll need to make this red velvet cake. All-purpose flour, granulated sugar, almond milk, vegetable oil, lemon, warm water, beet juice, cocoa powder, ground flax, baking powder and salt, and pure vanilla extract. So this recipe is actually really easy. You don't need a stand mixer. You can mix it all by hand. So we are going to need 2 mixing bowls, a whisk, and a spatula. And we're gonna start by combining all of the wet ingredients in one bowl. So to begin, we're gonna go ahead and make our flax eggs while the water is still warm. So I've got warm water here and ground flax, and we're just gonna combine them together and set them aside to kind of congeal. Good job, Zeta. Next, we're gonna make our buttermilk. So I've just got some almond milk here, and I'm going to add lemon juice into this almond milk so that it kind of turns into buttermilk. If you would like your red velvet cake to be more tart, you can do white vinegar instead of the lemon juice, which is what you'll find in many of the traditional red velvet cake recipes. Now we're gonna combine all of the wet ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Vegetable oil, our buttermilk, flax egg, beet juice, and vanilla extract. Go ahead and add that into your wet ingredient mixture and give that a good whisk until your cake batter is nice and smooth. Then we're going to pour it into 2 9-inch cake pans that are lined with parchment paper on the bottom. Finally, we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Okay, so our cakes cooled down completely. I actually froze these overnight before trying to decorate, and the frosting is done. I've trimmed the tops off the cake. We are going to fill and crumb coat, and then we're gonna turn this into a heart and decorate it. Let's go. Alright, there it is, our vegan red velvet cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Question of the day, what is your favorite dessert that you would love to see a vegan version of? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!